Hello everyone, I am Dr. Mira Mishra. Friends, in previous lecture we discussed concept of arithmetic mean and how to compute arithmetic mean of individual series, discrete series and continuous series. For solving arithmetic mean we discussed also the all methods, direct method, shortcut method and step deviation method. Right friend? Friend, today I am going to discuss with you properties of arithmetic mean. Properties of arithmetic mean. Right friend? Arithmetic mean. Friends, we know that arithmetic mean is one of the measures of central tendency, which can be defined as the sum of all the observation this one sum of all the observation upon number of observation. So this is your arithmetic mean, as we know. And now I'm going to discuss properties of arithmetic mean. So now let's look at the properties of arithmetic mean. Taking first one, property first. If all the observations assumed by a variable are constants, say k, then arithmetic mean is also k. Right friend? For example, I have taken one example. For example, suppose a group of 5 students, average student's height is 140, around 140 centimeter. I have taken 5 students and all average student's height is 140. Now find the arithmetic mean of this. So how? Find the summation of x. So here summation of x comes, this is comes 700. Now find the x bar, summation of x upon, and here number of students are 5. So this one is 700 upon 5 and this comes 140. So you see, if all observation assumed by variable as constant, here all students have the constant height, so arithmetic mean have same constant, right? Same height. Now move on. Second one, property second. Property second. So property second is, friend, the algebraic sum of deviation of a set of observations from their arithmetic mean is 0. Friends, you know the division. Deviation means when a particular number is subtracted from all the observation of the series, as you know. Now, algebraic sum of deviation of a set of observations from their arithmetic mean is 0. That means summation of x minus x bar, sum of all the deviations is 0. For this is for the ungrouped data. Ungrouped data, individual series belong to this data, ungrouped data. And if take a frequency also, so this one is this sum, frequency multiplied by x minus x bar, and this value, this sum is also comes, sum of the this deviation is equal to 0, and this for belong to be the grouped data. Discrete series and in continuous series belong to be the group data, right friend? Now take an example. For example, consider a variable x assumes 5 observations, say 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50, right? So first we calculate the arithmetic mean of here. So first we calculate the summation of x. So now this one is values come 150. Now find the x bar, summation of x upon n. So 150 upon n, here I have taken 5 values, so this one is 5, this one is come 30. So see friends, here x bar comes 30, right? Now make another table, x minus x bar. So you find here x bar comes 30 and x is 10. 10 minus 30 it means minus 20. 20 minus 30 it means 10. No, 30 minus 30 is 0. This one is 20 and this one is 10. Sorry, this one is 10. This one is 10 and this one is 20. Right? Now if you sum of this column, so see x minus x bar comes 0. Right? So this is the property of 2. The algebraic sum of deviation of set of observation from their arithmetic mean is 0. So whenever you take the arithmetic mean and subtract as a deviation form, so their sum, so arithmetic mean of there is 0. Now this sum is 0. Now you find the arithmetic mean. This is the deviation equal to 0. Now if we find the arithmetic mean, it means this sum upon number of observations. So you see 0 upon n, it comes 0, right? So this is the arithmetic property 2. This is the arith property. Now move on property third. Property third, every value of variable x is increased or decreased by a constant value, the arithmetic mean of the new observations is also increased. If value is increased, then arithmetic mean is increased. If value is decreased, so arithmetic mean is decreased or decreased decreased by the same constant, right? Now let us consider an example. Let consider a variable x assumes values 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? Now make another table. Suppose I will make increase these values by 2. So make another table x plus 2 and say y. So this value comes 4 plus 2 6, 5 2 plus 7, 6 plus 2 6 plus 2 8, 7 plus 2 9, 8 plus 2 10. Same here, I make another table subtracted by 3 and this called z. Now here 4 minus 3 1, 5 minus 3 2, 6 minus 3 3, 7 minus 3 4, 8 minus 3 5, right? Now you see, first we find the arithmetic mean of this column. So find the summation of x. So you see here, not add all values, so this come 30, right? Now find the x bar of this column, arithmetic mean. So summation of x upon n, number of observation are 5, so this comes 30 upon 5, this value comes 6. So you see, arithmetic mean of this column given observations are 6. Now if observation are increased by 2, then this is the new observation table which is increased by 2. Now find the arithmetic mean of this column. So you see here, summation of y. So you see here, now add this one. This comes 40. Now find the y bar. So here y, summation of y upon n. So 40 upon 5, it comes 8, right? Again I have taken another one table, new observation, which is subtracted by 3. So sum of this observation, it comes 15. Now find the z bar. Right? Now you see, all three is arithmetic mean. You see, given variables arithmetic mean comes 6, and now you see the arithmetic mean of those observations which is increased by 2, here arithmetic mean come 8. Now you see, every value of variable is increased by 2, so arithmetic mean of these observations are also increased by 2. So you see here is 6 and here is 8, and this is increased by plus 2, right? Now you see this one, here you see I have made the new table here, and which is decreased by 3. So you see here arithmetic mean comes 3, and your given arithmetic mean is you find the arithmetic mean is 6. So you see and compare both. So this arithmetic mean is decreased by 3, my previous one, right? So this is the property third. Now move on fourth property. fourth property. Property 4. If the value of variable x are multiplied or divided. In this property third, I am using increased or decreased, addition or subtraction. Here I am using the multiplied and divide. By constant, the arithmetic mean of the new observations can be obtained by multiplied or divided initial arithmetic mean by the same constant, right? So you see friend, if suppose I have taken a x variable which is multiplied by k and called this one is y. Now if we take summation on both sides, so I get summation of y equal to k comes from, because this is constant, summation of x. Now divided one on both sides, so this one is summation y upon, and divided both sides by n, so here summation of x upon n. So you see from this value is the show by y bar and this value show by x bar. So you see, if you are taking the variable and which is multiplied by k and you see this value is y, so you see the arithmetic mean of this variable of previous one on it, which is also the new observation, previous one, and the new observation is also the arithmetic mean is also the multiplied by the previous one, right? Similarly, if you are taking the dividing case, so you see I have taken y and suppose in variable x and which is divided by k. Again you have to take summation on both sides. So this one is, you know, the 1 by k is a constant, so comes from outside, so this comes. Now divided both sides by n, so this one is n, so this can be, now again this value is y bar and this value is x bar. So you see, if you are taking the value divided by k, now arithmetic mean is also divided by k. Arithmetic mean of new observation is also divided by k, right? So this is the property 4. Now move on property 5. Now move on next property 5, which is if there are two groups containing n1 and n2 observations x1 bar and x2 bar are the respective arithmetic means respective arithmetic means, then the combined, friend, this is also called the combined arithmetic, this property is also known as the combined arithmetic mean, is given by x bar n1 x bar, this is the arithmetic mean of first observation, and this is the number of observation n1, and n2 into x2 bar upon n1 plus n2, right? So this property for the two groups, if extended the groups, suppose then this properties could be extended to more than the two groups, and we may write it as x bar n1 x bar plus n2 x2 bar till nk sk bar upon n1 plus n2 plus up to so on nk, right? So this is called the combined arithmetic mean. This is the formula for the combined arithmetic mean. So according to a question, if there are two groups, so you are using this formula. If you have three groups, so you extend the formula according to your question. Now, for example, suppose then, for example, suppose then I have taken two sections, section A and section B. In section A there are 60 students, so I have taken 60 students. In section A I have taken 60 students, and the mean marks of the 60 students in section A is suppose then 40. And in section B I have taken 40 students, and mean marks of these 40 students of section B is suppose then 45. So this 60 is defined the number of students of section A, so I take say n1, and this is the section B, so take as a n2, and this is the because I have taken the n1, so mean marks of this section is I am taking as like a mean x1, because this is given the mean marks, and this is also the section 2, so I have taken x2 bar, right? Now question is that find the combined mean of total student or of 100 students, because you see in overall section total students are 60 plus 40, 100 students in both the sections. So you find the combined arithmetic mean of the both sections of the 100 students. So I have taken the using this formula, because here giving the two sections, so only the two groups, so using this one, first one formula. So x bar equals to n1 is given 60 and multiplied by 40 plus n2 40 multiplied by 45 upon, because 100 students, so 60 plus 40, so this comes 2400, and this comes right, and this is 100. Now add 0 0 2 4200 upon 100, and this comes 42. So combined mean of 100 students is 42, right? So this is all the properties of the arithmetic mean. Thank you for joining my class.